Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Chelsea if you're new here, and in today's video we are going to be giving my small and cluttered deck a makeover. I have a lot of seasonal things I have to clear out of here that quite honestly I left out over the winter time, but we're going to transform this space into somewhere that I can actually enjoy. So let's get started on this project. I'm just gonna assemble a canopy that I purchased for the deck, and to be honest with you, I don't have much footage because I kept getting scared that my camera was going to get hit by the pieces and get knocked over, so this is already up, and to be honest, I actually didn't realize my camera was still filming at this point, but the canopy will provide some much needed coverage. My deck is in direct sunlight all day long and it is just too hot to enjoy, so that was the first part of this makeover. Hi guys! I think the last time that I saw you, I was probably outside sweating, putting up the canopy. That was over a week ago at this point. I did have to wait for a rug to come in. That was kind of a whole predicament. We're actually going to have two to choose from, but I have boards for my next project behind me and in front of me. In my very first deck makeover, I had made a little shelf that slid over the railing of my deck. I love that shelf, and so I'm going to make another one that's a little bit bigger for the other railing. I'm hoping to get this together and get it stained, and I might restain the other one. That one's been through some tough times. I've left it out in the elements, so I might just try to restain that one to bring it back to life, but let's get started on this project because we have a lot to do today. To start building my box, I'm just going to attach the side and the top together with some screws. Now this is not intended to be a DIY tutorial. If you guys are interested in learning how to make a shelf that can go over your deck rail, just leave me a comment and let me know, and maybe I'll do a video dedicated to that. But right now I'm just using some books to hold up the top part and connecting the side with some screws. Once I have that connected, I'm just going to flip it over and do the exact same thing on the other side. I will go ahead and attach both sides with screws, and this is really the base of the shelf. This is what will slide directly over the deck railing. If you're wondering what's with all the random books, again, I just stack them up to give some support to the top. Since this is the base of the shelf, it is important that it fits, so I'm just taking it outside to do a quick dry fit to make sure that it slides over the railing. If this does not work, then there's no point in continuing your shelf. This has to fit over the railing before the next steps. Now underneath the board that I'm currently screwing into is a board that is the exact same size. This is actually the bottom of the shelf, and I am just adhering the bottom to another board that is going to be the actual shelf and where everything will sit on. Once I flip it over, you'll see a little bit better. Once the top part of the shelf is on, the only thing left to do is add the back part, and then the shelf is all done. So as you can see here, it came together really quickly. Again, if you would want an actual tutorial on to build this, just let me know in the comment section. Alright, I have a little bit of a mess going on out here, truth be told. I will get that cleaned up at some point, but we have two different rugs to choose from, so I'm gonna put each one down and we'll see which one we keep. I really like both of them, but we'll just see what looks better. So here it is laid down. I do feel like it's maybe a little bit busy. I was really looking for a rug that you didn't really pay attention to, just something light and neutral, and I don't know if I like this one so much. A little trick that I do when I get a new rug is to take out the rolled cardboard that comes with it and smooth it down the rug to get out any air bubbles, and it works really well for me. Okay, I really like this. This is exactly the look that I was going for. It's neutral, it's textured and woven, and just the perfect rug for what I was looking in this space. This is definitely going to be the winner, so we'll go ahead and move on to getting some furniture out here. Unfortunately, I did have to buy new pieces. I tried really hard to find a set on Facebook Marketplace, but unfortunately, everything that I found was just way too big for my deck and wouldn't really fit very well, so I did have to buy new furniture that was the appropriate size, and I still had room for the grill and to move around the deck. Alright, I'm sorry I'm a little squinty and if you can hear the wind, but one of the things that I have to figure out is, do I want to bring the table I had before out here, which is a little bit higher, it's more of like a table you would eat at, or do I want to do like a coffee table that's a little bit lower to the ground? I'm gonna bring the table that I have out, which is the higher one. I think there's benefits to both. It's nice to have a higher table that you can really pull the chairs in and eat at if we would want to eat outside, but I also kind of like the coffee table idea where it's lower, it's kind of out of the way, and you can certainly still sit and eat at a coffee table if you needed to. So let me bring out the table and see how it looks. I really like this table, and again, I love that you could just pull the chairs up and eat at it if you wanted to, but I don't know if it's exactly what I was going for here. I do think maybe the coffee table might be a better idea, so I might see if I can see what that would look like. So I'm just going to use this basket and this topper that I have to kind of makeshift a coffee table to compare the difference. So obviously the scale is definitely not the right size, but I really just wanted to do this to see the height difference, and I do feel like I like the lower height better, so I'm leaning towards the coffee table, but I'm just not sure what to do here. Alright, I think for right now the coffee table situation is gonna have to be a to be determined because I just don't know what I'm gonna do, and if I want to do a coffee table, I'm wondering, am I gonna have to build one? So I have to think that through. Also, I'm sorry if you can hear humming. I'm outside and there's noise. So I might try to put up, the canopy came with kind of like, not netting, but like, I guess kind of like netting that you can put around it. I also do have some lights that I think I want to put up around the top maybe as well for the nighttime to give it a little glow. So maybe I'll work on that. At some point I have to deal with all of the flowers I have over there. Yeah, let's start with the canopy. Little did I know when starting this part that what should have been the easiest part of this canopy was going to drive me absolutely bananas. I made so many mistakes because I was really tired at this point and rushing. The first mistake I made here was hanging it on the wrong bar. This was supposed to go on that upper bar, which you'll see me correct here shortly. Now I did get it hung up on the correct bar, however I was hanging it inside instead of outside. Again, I was just so tired and was just making mistakes. Once I got that corrected, I started working on hanging up the lights inside. I think they're going to be so pretty at night, and these were really inexpensive, and it's an outdoor set, so they will be able to stay outside. Good morning, guys. It is a new day. That canopy almost took me out yesterday. That drove me to the brink of my sanity, but I did get it up. I got the lights up. You probably can't see them really well. So we're gonna finish this up today. I did end up finding a coffee table on Facebook Marketplace, so I just picked that up. We need to bring out the little shelf we built that's dry from the stain. So let's go ahead and start working on this.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick.
Alright, you guys, I think the deck is done. I came back in just to film this quickly because someone's mowing their lawn and I think someone's power washing something, so it's very noisy outside right now. But let's take a quick look back at the before. My deck was just cluttered with random nonsense from the past season. I hadn't cleaned it up yet, but I was so excited to work on this space because I really wanted to transform it into a spot that I would truly enjoy, and I feel like I have done that. So let's go ahead and take a look at how the space turned out.